Hello everyone, this is Annette with my Scrapbooking corner, and I'm here with another layout. The background is Turquoise Mist from Basil Cardstock. The alpha pattern is Hippie Club September Days. Pass me a note. And this is a perfect example of the Scotch tape runner tape that's permanent. I put the picture down wrong and it would not come up without ribbon. My neck hurts. Alright, so I'm going to put these kind of from corner to corner. Let's see, the die cuts are Hippie Club September Days. I'm not sure what I'm doing. I'm cutting something apparently. Oh, I'm cutting the strips for journaling. And there's Pen. And then Theo. Oh my goodness. No. Oh, you bought me a toy? Alright, thank you. Alright, thank you. You're so nice. Yeah, you're so nice. I never put down that I use those foam stickers, but they are right here. And so, oh no, I can't use them. The foam stickers, I used them again, so I'll have it wrote down. I'm pretty sure clear mixed, yeah. Goodness. I know those clear acetate stars are Hip Kit Club September days. I guess I didn't write them down ever. I know I didn't use it there. That's bad. I gotta do it. Okay, same. That. Oh, you got a bump in your ear, dude. Never noticed that before. I apologize for that, but those foam stickers, I don't know. So I'm going to do my title, which I made a mistake of giving my stickers on severe way. And now, oh, foam stickers are American Crafts Be Bold. American Crafts Be Bold stickers. There we go. And those are foam. No, I don't put. If it was which kit. And so, alright, so first is, alright, so Goodbye and Hello are Hip Kit Club's first July kit. Kindergarten is Hip Kit Club's Dream Big from past kit. First is Hip Kit Club September Days Wood Veneer. And Grade is Hip Kit Club's September Days. And I have a really big title. It's going to be Goodbye Kindergarten, Hello First Grade. Because this is the kindergarten. They don't call it like a graduation, they call it bridging into first grade. Yeah. And at this time, I was still in preschool. I was still teaching preschool in 2016. Then, actually at that point, I probably was told I was going to kindergarten. And then the teacher Mateo had, first grade teacher Mateo had retired. So I moved to first grade to his class, actually, his class. But they took him out. Of course, he didn't want to. He wanted to stay with me. But they wouldn't let him. And so, let's put my title down. I believe that's all I do. The enamel dots that I have are left over from past kits. And some of them are more recent kits, but I don't know. I think these I took from like very long ago kits. And used them up because there's not a lot left on them. And that's all I do. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.